I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Well, good morning. I'm off to Paducah, Kentucky. And got my lunch, my food packed. Not my lunch, but hang on, let me take it off here. That's got my food packed and my purse and my little baby suitcase is in the back. I ain't gonna show you that. It's buried under the dog stuff. Anyway, and I got my pool stick and I got my coffee and my water for the drive. I tell you what, I'm not high maintenance when it comes to like my clothes, because I have more food than clothes. But it's all right. It's all right. And I'm okay. I like high maintenance. But anyway, so yeah. So here we go. I've got to plug in the directions into my phone, and away I go. So I'll show y'all whatever I can show y'all today. And I don't know what food. I'll try to remember to tell y'all what food I eat, because I'm going to be driving for an hour and a half. I might be snacking. So, all right then. Bye. Okay, y'all. I'm here in Paducah, Kentucky. I'm at the River Eagles. I don't know, whatever this place is. But anyway, so we're about to play. I've eaten one of my pancakes, and I'm glad that I have mother pancakes, because I heard a lady, she's bringing in donuts for everybody. So I will have my pancakes and burgers to help keep me on the straight and narrow. In I go. So this is half of the room. There's actually another area, but I heard somebody say it's not open. So this is just an Eagles Lodge kind of thing. I don't think I'll be able to get any recording of me playing, but anyway, so that's my team practicing. There's just people all over from all over the area. Y'all, we won our first match because the other team forfeited. No clue why or what happened, but we haven't had to play a game yet. So, and it's 9:20, so I guess we sit here until somebody tells us something to do. Okay, I found out the team. The team we were scheduled, there's a bracket. I don't understand the brackets, but here's the deal. The team we played against, or we're supposed to play against, they forfeited, and so that they took a loss, because there's another team that did not make it at all. And what they saw from the bracket is that whoever lost this game, like with us, they get a bye, so then they don't play, but then they play the team they were scheduled, the team that forfeited. And so since that, no, let me rephrase that. Hang on just a second. Okay, so here's what happened.
Wow, that's good.
This is us, and that's them. Whoever the winner is plays somebody else. Whoever the loser was going to play this team that didn't show up, because this other team, they said they couldn't make it up here today. So the loser plays the no team, which means whoever they're gonna. So whoever, if they are betting that this team doesn't show up. So if this team shows up, then the team we were going to play against will have to play them, and they have to go to the championship by whoever wins against this game. But since we're the winner, we go on and play. I think one or two more games. I don't know, whatever. We have more games. But whoever loses this match, our match, was going to play against this other team, and whoever won that is in the championship. I don't understand it, but anyway. So since that other team, they lost our game, in theory they would play this team that is not here. And so if they won that, they go to the championship, which is going to be in Malden. So they set themselves to win automatically against the people who didn't show up. So they choose a loss against us, so that then they can go and be considered a winner against a team that didn't show up. Very, very interesting. So anyway, so that's what happened. So that's how we won, even though we didn't even play. It's kind of hard to see, but this is the bracket. so you can pause if you want to see it. We are called Just Hit It. So you can see all the names of these people. Yeah, right there. That's who we play. Right, that's who we were playing. So I guess I can't tell who. Oh, yeah, so we won. So now we're going to play this Jedi 9 tricks. And then the winner of this one goes on to play the winner of this one. So, anyway, so that's how it looks. People are practicing. It's 11:30. And that team they're still going. And then this team right here is still going. But since we didn't play, we're not still going. But these fellas are warming up over there. Where's my thumb? He's on our team and he is not. So. Okay, so I've been working on Sudoku. I did go shoot a little bit. I've eaten 2 burgers, 1 serving of my gummies. Oh no, Mom. Yeah. And I drank my coffee this morning with my stuff, and I'm about 12:15, so I'm going to make another coffee. And I think that's all I've eaten. The 2 burgers, 1 of my protein pancakes, and gummies. Y'all know I ate a lot. They've got some chili dogs, but I'm not going to eat it because I got my own food. I'm sitting right down there. Bye. It's only been 5 minutes since I talked to y'all. No, it's been 10, and I've already eaten. I'm on my the last part of my pancake. I can't help it. I eat when I'm bored and nervous. Well, I played and I lost. I played a really good player and I lost, but that's okay. Our first person won. I was second, and now we're on our 3rd match, and he's 7, so he'll probably win. He's really good. Our guy is. So anyway, yeah. So I lost, but that's okay. Still hanging in there. It's a good time. For the record, they have nuts. I'll let you see the game. For the record, they have nuts for $1, but I did not get any. I'm proud of myself. I've said. It's 3:30, but I'm just saying. So far, I've just had the 2 burgers, the 2 protein pancakes, the gummies. I said just 2 burgers, 2 protein pancakes, and the gummies. So, sounds funny to say gummies because, anyway, yeah. So, yeah, it's 3:30. So, that's how it's going. And I've had 2 coffees. You all, it is 12:15, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you in this video, I won that match that you're getting to see. I won this one. I had to cut out the background, so I'm going to do a little bit of a voiceover, but I won this match. And then at the end, I tell you all, I'm not going to tell you whether I win or lose, but I won 2 matches. I'm so stinking excited. I can't stand it. But anyway, so my friend Tammy was recording this for me, and she's on my team. And so I was like, can you get some video of me playing? She's like, sure. So she's got some video of me playing. And so here I am playing. I'm telling y'all, oh my goodness, I am so exhausted. But you'll see a little bit of me playing along here. And look, I'm making faces at you guys. See, I'm waving. I'm like, hi guys, look at me, look at me. And then right here, I did put my wheels on my cue stick. And because for those long ones, I used the wheel. No, it ain't the wheel. I was chalking, sorry. Look at that. Boom, I got that sucker in there. Now let's see if we can get this 9 ball. I was like, oh boy, how's this gonna go? I wasn't too sure about how that was gonna go. This is it. At the end of that, you'll see my wheels. And instead of one of those bridges, I put this little wheels thing on my stick, and then it rolls. And so this way, I don't have to use a bridge. But watch, look at that. Go Terri, go Terri. Anyway, it was a good day. I'm happy. I'm proud of myself. And there's another shooting. I don't know. I don't think I did so good on that one. But, yeah, look at me. I'm like, oh, man. But, and then let's see what I do here. Oh, yeah, I did that. I hit the red ball, and I got the 9 ball in. I tell you, it's such a long day. I got up at 5 o'clock this morning, and it's midnight right now. I am like, I can't even, oh, watch this. I break, and I got the 9 ball in. So I got look at my face. I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I did it. Go Terri, go Terri. So I said, yay. And then we're all doing fist bumps for each other. Guys, I lost my first match, but on my second match, I won. I had 2 really good breaks, but one I broke and the 9 ball went in. It's called 9 on snap, and that's my first time. I'd never had one before, so I did that, and then a couple other, I did really good. So anyway, it's 10 o'clock, and we still have to play one more match, and they're still finishing up one match. So, or I should say, I don't know which is a match and which is a game. I'm too tired to even think right now. But sorry. But yeah, we have to play one more full game of 5 players after they finish this one. So we'll probably come here till like 2 o'clock in the morning. And you know what happens to me? I turn into a pumpkin. So I've been drinking the snot out of coffee. I love y'all. Bye. It is 10:30 and our match just started, or our final round just started. And I'm just here to tell you, I have eaten a whole lot of stuff, and I can't even tell you everything I ate. Well, no, I did have 6 burgers. I can't even tell you how many meat sticks. But I didn't have any of the pizza that's on the table over there. And I didn't have the nuts. They have nuts for $1, and I didn't have any nuts. So good job, Terri. But I'm going to end it here because I'm going to sit and edit this video while I'm waiting on my turn to play. Okay, bye. In other words, you're going to have to wait until tomorrow to know whether I won the suspense. Dun, dun, dun.